So now let's look at some specific thesis statements that were provided by students in 10th grade last year for our Unit 4 exam. The questions were about either the Industrial or the French Revolution. Let's look at the first one. In the 18th and 19th centuries, the Industrial Revolution had given more positive impact to Western society, but had some negative impact too. Okay. First question, is it clear? Do you really know what side of the argument this person is taking? When I read that statement, I do not, so that is definitely a no. Can you disagree with it? Well, if they're saying that it had a more positive impact, that gives us something to disagree with, but then it had some negative impact too, which is kind of vague. So I would give that a somewhat. Okay, does it take a stand? It says it had a more positive impact to Western society. So yes, it does take a stand, although a weak one, but it does take one. Does it express one main idea? Had a positive impact, more of a positive impact, but it had some negative impact. It's really kind of two ideas. If you're going to set up a contrast, you can express that as one main idea, but I wouldn't say that is very clearly stating one position. Does it assert a conclusion? Does it give me a very clear impact of which side of the issue this person is going to take and defend? Again, it's wishy-washy. I would probably say yes, but it's weak. And then last, does it use specific language? No. It's saying a more positive impact, but not explaining at all what that is. Had some negative impact too, but doesn't really explain what that is. It's a very vague thesis statement, so I would say it does not. So overall, this thesis statement did not score very well on the rubric because you can see by the responses to those 6 questions, the answer is more often no or yes, but it's weak than it is a solid yes. So again, follow all 6 of the criterion and your thesis statement will be good and will score high on the rubric.